Hey there. If you've witnessed the evolution of soffit framing from stud and track to drywall grid, and now bend and click simple soffit, you're witnessing history being made. Have you tried simple soffit? It's the prefabricated bend and click framing system. If you haven't, the time couldn't be better, as we're now adding, well, first, 4 new standard sizes, bringing the total standard sizes we have to 8. Second, tighter bend options, allowing you to achieve a 3 5/8 inch detail to 6 inch framing detail dimensions and anything in between. Third, splicing guidelines so you can mix and match standard items or tie into existing grid runs. Stay put. I'll quickly expand on these 3 new simple soffit offerings. Okay, first there are 4 new standard off-the-shelf sizes for you to order. For L soffits, there are 2 new sizes. We have an 18 inch by 36 inch L and an 18 inch by 72 inch L soffit. These are in addition to the existing 2x2, 2x4, and 3x3 L soffits. There's also an inverted 2x2 L downturn available. Why these sizes? Well, as you've used simple soffit on your made-to-order projects, these are the most common sized L soffits asked for. For the same reason, we are also adding 2 new U soffit upturns, a 12 by 36 by 12 and an 18 by 24 by 18 inch. Of course, by mixing and matching these 5 standard L upturn sizes, you can create your own larger sized U soffit upturns. With the integrated 8 inch on center cross T route holes, all you have to do is hang these on 4-foot centers, then connect with stabbed in 4-foot cross Ts. Do you see the productivity potential now? These standard sizes can be used for standalone or combined to make all types of soffit configurations. Next is a new capability for a very common condition on projects. Until now, it's been very difficult and counterproductive to bend drywall grid framing to mimic a 3 5/8 inch to 6 inch framing detail. Well, you can do it now. How often does this detail occur on projects? This is a very common detail that architects love to specify. Traditionally, it's achieved by dropping 3 5/8 to 6 inch traditional materials from deck on 16 inch centers. Now, all you have to do is tell us your upper horizontal dimension, then your vertical 3 5/8 inch drop or 6 inch drop, combined with your short vertical return dimension upturn. You'll receive these straight. All you have to do is click, then snip 2 small pieces of metal and bend and pop 2 screws in to hold your profile together. If you need to achieve angles other than 90 degrees, say like 60 degrees or other off angles, just add our DW clips to hold this all together. You only have to hang these on 48 inch centers while stabbing in 4-foot cross Ts and cam angle to finish the soffit. Cross T route hole spacing is whatever you specify to account for any special size diffuser layouts that you might have on the job. Okay, another solution to increase framing efficiency on the job is simple soffit splicing guidelines. Simple soffit can now be spliced together, allowing further flexibility by taking standard items to make custom lengths. Let's say you have a 2-foot by 4-foot by 2-foot U soffit detail on a project. You can take our standard 2x2 standard Ls and join them together to create a 2x4 by 2-foot detail. If you have to cut it down to match a smaller size, no problem. If you need a bigger width dimension, use the 2x4 or 2x6 L soffits to make whatever width that you need. All are ordered standard with off-the-shelf components. You simply splice these 2 Ls together with a 12-inch piece of simple soffit scrap, or you can order simple soffit 12-inch pieces through specials. It's that easy. Just like SIMPLESOFFIT took traditional soffits to the next level, these 3 new capabilities take your SIMPLESOFFIT framing to the next level. To learn more, simply visit armstrongceilings.com/SimpleSoffit or reach out to your local regional installation specialist.